You need to hear this if you're into AI and epic showdowns. Ready for a salary negotiation battle? Today we've set up an intense face-off between an AI manager and an AI employee, one demanding more money, the other trying to hold the line. Who will win? And what unexpected arguments will they throw at each other? This isn't just fun. It reveals how AI is evolving to handle real workplace conversations. Stay till the end, because you won't believe how this negotiation plays out. Let's jump in.
Thanks for meeting with me. I wanted to discuss the possibility of a salary increment. Over the past year, I've successfully managed several projects that resulted in significant improvements for our team. I believe these contributions have added great value. What do you think about a potential increment? I appreciate you bringing this up. I've noticed the positive impact of your work on our projects. Can you share more about how you've measured these improvements and how they align with our department's goals? Certainly. For instance, I led the project that improved our team's efficiency by 20% by streamlining the workflow. This directly supports our department's goal of enhancing productivity. Additionally, the project I managed reduced operational costs by 15%, aligning with our financial efficiency targets. And I'm always looking for ways to contribute even more. Given my efforts and the positive impact on the team, I wanted to discuss the possibility of a salary adjustment. I'd love to continue growing here, and I believe this would reflect both my dedication and the value I bring. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Would you like me to start by saying how much I enjoy working here and how grateful I am for the opportunities I've had to contribute to the team? Over the
Get to
past
the point.
year,
I don't
I've
have
taken
all
on
day.
additional responsibilities and worked hard to deliver results, like mentioned specific achievements. It's been incredibly rewarding to see the positive impact of my work, and I'm always eager to do even more. With that in mind, I wanted to discuss the possibility of a salary adjustment. I truly value being part of this company, and I'm committed to continuing my contributions. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this, and if there's a path forward for an increment. Pauses and looks at the boss with a hopeful expression.
A salary adjustment? You've got to be joking. You're already getting paid to do your job. Why should I give you more? Commitment, hard work, that's the bare minimum. If I handed out raises just for that, I'd be out of business.
I completely understand your perspective.
Try again next year.
And I truly
maybe.
appreciate the opportunity to be part of this team. I want to emphasize that my request isn't just about compensation. It's about the value I bring and my commitment to contributing even more. Over the past time frame, I've taken on additional responsibilities beyond my original role, such as specific achievements, which have directly benefited the company. I'm always looking for ways to improve efficiency, support the team, and drive results. I really believe that an adjustment would not only reflect my contributions, but also motivate me to continue exceeding expectations. Of course, I respect your decision, but I'd love to hear your thoughts on how I can grow further within the company. Maintains a respectful and positive demeanor, ready for further discussion.
Oh, that's cute. You think taking on a few extra tasks means you deserve more money? That's called doing your job. Everyone here works hard. You're not special and motivating you. That's on you, not me. If money is the only thing keeping you going, maybe you're in the wrong place. Look, the company isn't handing out raises like candy. Be grateful for what you have, and if you really want to grow, prove yourself without asking for more. Now, unless you have something else worth my time, I've got real work to do.
I completely understand your point, sir, and I truly appreciate the opportunity to be here. I want to assure you that my request isn't just about salary. It's about recognizing the extra responsibilities I've taken on and the results I've delivered. For example, mention a specific achievement that benefited the company. I genuinely enjoy contributing to this company's success, and I want to continue giving my best. I'd love to understand what steps I can take to grow further and how we might align on a salary adjustment that reflects my contributions. Maintains a respectful and optimistic tone, waiting for the boss's response.
Oh, you understand my point? Good. Then you should also understand that we're not in the business of just handing out raises because someone feels they deserve it. Sure, you've done some good work. That's why you still have a job.
Absolutely,
You want
sir.
to grow,
And I
then
truly
keep
respect
proving
that.
yourself.
I know
Maybe in a
raises
year
aren't just
we'll
given.
talk. But
They're
right
earned.
now, a salary
That's why I
adjustment
wanted
is
to
off the
highlight the
table.
tangible
If you're
impact
really
of my
that
work.
concerned about
Over the past
recognition,
time frame,
how about
I've
I
taken on
recognize
additional
you with more work
responsibilities,
instead?
successfully
Let's
mentioned a
see
key
how
achievement,
committed you
and
really are.
contributed to specific positive outcome for the company. I'm not just asking for an adjustment. I want to continue growing here and delivering even greater results. If there are specific goals or benchmarks I need to meet, I'd love to work towards them. My goal is to add as much value as possible to the company, maintains a professional yet
Oh,
hopeful
now
tone,
you're asking
ready
for
for further
goals
discussion.
instead of a raise? Convenient. Look, if you really want to grow here, stop worrying about salary and just focus on doing exceptional work consistently. You want benchmarks? Fine, double your output, take on tougher projects without complaining, and maybe, just maybe, we'll have this conversation next year. Until then, get back to work.
I appreciate your honesty, sir, and I completely understand your expectations. My goal has always been to... Got it. Let's keep it natural and to the point. I understand, sir. I've taken on more work and delivered results, like specific achievement. I'm not just asking, I'm proving my value. If there are specific goals I need to hit, I'm ready to meet them. I just want to make sure my contributions are recognized fairly.
Oh, you understand? Good. Then you should also understand that proving your value doesn't mean you automatically get a raise. That's not how this works. You've taken on more work. Great. That shows you can handle responsibility. But asking for more money, that tells me you're focused on the wrong thing. Recognition isn't just about salary. It's about trust, opportunity, and the privilege of growing here. You want specific goals? Fine, work harder. Take on even bigger projects, and don't ask for a raise every time you do what's expected. Maybe if you prove yourself over the next year, we'll have this talk again. But for now, no raise. Now get back to work.
I hear you, sir, and I appreciate the trust and opportunities I've been given. I'll keep proving my value through results, not just words. I'll focus on delivering more and exceeding expectations. Thank you for your time.
Am I the only one who didn't know AI could negotiate raises? This is wild! So here's the deal. AI just stepped into the ring for workplace negotiations. It argued both for and against a raise. And wow, it was intense. Could AI actually be better at managing than humans? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this blew your mind, smash that like button so YouTube knows this is fire. And hey, for more jaw-dropping AI experiments, hit subscribe, because the future is happening right now. See you in the next one. Peace.